See this Google Sheet. It consists of thousands of users' contacts, and by just one click, I can send this type of personalized sale alert message to all of my 1000+ users directly on WhatsApp. And you know what's the craziest part? The message will personalize for every single user automatically, which means instead of sending generic message, every customer receives a personalized WhatsApp message with their own name. And it is only made possible with the help of a powerful feature called Broadcast inside Pabbly Chatflow. And in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step that how you can add all of your 1000+ contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, how to add dynamic customer's name automatically, and how to send bulk WhatsApp messages by just one click. Because honestly, sending messages manually to thousands of users is almost impossible. But with Pabbly Chatflow Broadcast, businesses can reach thousands of customers instantly, send personalized WhatsApp campaigns, promote sales and festive offers, increase engagement, conversation, and communicate with customer at scale. So whether you run an e-commerce brand, local shop, coaching business, or in any business, this single tool is going to be really very beneficial for you. It can completely transform your marketing. So let's build this setup step by step. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then click on the sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple powerful feature of Pabbly Chatflow. As we are creating a WhatsApp broadcast, so I am going in this broadcast feature. See, this is the Pabbly Chatflow broadcast feature. It helps businesses send WhatsApp messages to thousands of users at once. You can upload contacts directly from Google Sheet and launch campaign in just one click. It also supports personalized messages, so every user receives messages with their own and custom details. Today's businesses are using this feature to send festival offers, sales alerts, product launches, reminders, updates, and promotional campaigns at scale. This saves hours of manual work and helps businesses reach more customers faster with automated WhatsApp marketing. As we are creating a new broadcast, so I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. After that, you just have to select the broadcast type that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Next, give your broadcast one name. I entered the name of the broadcast as festival offer broadcast. Next, you just have to select the contact list. See, this is very important step. Here I am selecting the contact list as new list. So now you might be wondering how you can add your multiple contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you just have to go in this contacts feature and move towards this plus add contacts. You can also add contacts one by one by manually adding, but I prefer you to add contacts in bulk by selecting this option. Here you just have to upload the CSV file that consists all of your users contacts. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that includes the user's name and the contacts in the simplest format. You can create CSV file by using Excel or Google Sheet. I have created my CSV file using Google Sheet. See, after adding all of your users contacts, you just have to click on this files option and download this file in a CSV format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that only CSV files is allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. It means you can upload 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this single tool is. If you like this tool till now, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. And not only just WhatsApp broadcast, with the help of the single tool, you can create an AI assistant, chatbots, and many more. So go and grab the offer by using this code. For uploading a file, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and just drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload file, and next select the file from here and click on this insert button. Next, you just have to click on this add contact. So this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And can also create a contact list by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one by the name of new list where I added only 51 contacts. See, this is the same list that I have selected here too. Next one is the refined audience. It is an optional. If you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast, then you can select those lists from here. And if you want to exclude your broadcast to the specific contacts, then you can select that contact from this list. Here I'm not adding anyone, and you can enable this toggle for skipping those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Now comes to the most interesting part where you have to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send regular message by selecting this option and select the message type from here. After that, enter the message content in this field, but I refer you to go with this pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. Now for uploading a template, you just have to click on the select WhatsApp template button and select the template. I am selecting this festival offer template. I have already created this template before. For creating this type of amazing attractive templates, you just have to go towards this template feature on the left hand side. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. In this body field, I am entering a dollar symbol with name. See, with the help of this dollar symbol and this name, automatically the specific user's name will come. This is the variable that I have used while designing the template. You can watch it out the tutorial and you will understand this more clearly. After that, I am clicking on this done button. See, the template is selected successfully. Now for the testing purpose, I am entering the username as a test user and entering my number in this phone number field, just only to check that this broadcast is perfectly working or not. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received the same template that includes my name as a test user and all the offer related details about the upcoming sale. And look at this, how interactive this template is. As we have received the message, this means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, you have to schedule the broadcast. You can send this template instantly to all of your contacts by just simply clicking on this plus add broadcast button. But I am scheduling this broadcast for later, so I am selecting this option. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast for 25th of May at 11 a.m. So on 25th of May 2026 at 11 a.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my 51 contacts. After that, I'm clicking on this plus add broadcast button. See, our broadcast is created successfully and it's scheduled it here too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report from here. Here you can also see the status as sent, delivered, read, pending and ignored, and you can also resend the broadcast to the failed contacts too. So this is how easily you can set up the broadcast messages without getting banned. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing tool called Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.